The World Wide Web, WWW, or commonly referred to as web, has become a huge source of information that is very well known by people. When someone wants to find information, the first thing that they access is the web. The web consists of billions of documents that are interconnected and managed by millions of people. The web is easy to access. Searching for information via the web can be done anywhere and anytime. Finding information from the web or web mining can be one solution to gather information that utilize the web as source of data. These days, social media not only become a way to communicate but also a place to share individuals' thoughts and a place to speak up. In the digital era, when a lot of information is shared by people via internet, web mining is expected to be an effective solution for finding information or gathering information. Other than web mining, crawling on social media is also possible to be done. With the tool of Gephi, the author would like to show how it is being implemented. The crawling to extract data not only could be done via web mining, the data mining also could be done from social data media. In this study, the author wants to show the implementation of social media data crawling with the source of Twitter and the help from Gephi as the tool. The term web mining was first used by Oren Etzioni. Web mining is defined by Oren Etzioni in 1996 as the application of data mining techniques to web data in order to extract relevant information from resources available on the web. Resources can be documents or web service. According to Liu in 2011, crawling is the process of exploring the web and downloading web pages automatically to gather information. The program specifically tasked with crawling is called Crawler. A study by Boyd and Allison in 2008 described social networks as the surface with the web base that allow individuals to make a semi-public or public profile, to articulate lists of other users within the same connection, and to view and maintain their connection. The rise of communication technology such as digitalization helped indirect interactions between people upgraded into larger scale. Manning in 2014 mentioned, with the advancement of technology, a new media age was born. The accessibility, social media could be accessed anywhere and anytime as long as there is internet connection and available devices. Social media also could be used as a place to speak the unspoken. People tell what's inside their mind, pour their thought into social media. Trottier and Focht in 2013 described a social theory approach when clarifying social media that constitute into three forms of sociality: cognition, communication, and cooperation. Twitter is one of social media global platform from Twitter Incorporation, which intended for public self-expression and conduct communication as conversation in real time. Twitter provides a network that connects individual users to people, information, topics, ideas, opinions, and news. Twitter allows users to share free-use content. They allow the user to customize their profile, even allow users to exchange messages privately. Twitter has a feature where users could include hashtags on their tweets and eventually create a trending with certain hashtag. In certain hashtag, a trending if the amount of tweets count reach a certain level of certain time. The data from Statista shows that in the first quarter of 2019, monthly active Twitter users reached the number of 330 million and increased from the previous year, which is 321 million users. The numbers below shows the amount of monthly active Twitter users from the first quarter of 2010 to the first quarter of 2019.
Next is research methodology. There are two types of data. First is primary data, and second is secondary data. According to Ajayi 2017, primary data is an original and unique data collected by the researchers directly from the first-hand source or study object. For an example, is like doing an interview or doing a questionnaire. While for secondary data, is a data that obtained by the author from published articles on the internet, journals, periodicals, or sites related to the study conducted. This research will use secondary data through crawling by using Gephi software. The Gephi software crawls the data from the Twitter, and we use hashtags, which is social media, to be crawled for this research. Next, there are several data collecting methods like observation, questionnaires, and tests. Then, this research will use an observation through crawling in Twitter by using Gephi software. Next is population and sample. Population that will be used in this research is tweet from Twitter, while for the sample that will be used in this research is 250 tweets of people who tweet using the hashtags, which is social media.
Crawling data by the author is about social media. The application used for this research are Gephi and Twitter. The result of Twitter crawling conducted through the Gephi application, the author managed to get 250 related notes from the search conducted, where the notes came from the topic sought, namely hashtag social media. In the picture, you can see that there are 250 nodes and 315 edges. After crawling as many nodes as we want, the author uses the Force Atlas 2 layout. Force Atlas 2 is a force-directed layout close to other algorithms used for network specialization. After getting the layout, the result from Force Atlas 2, the next step is to move the table into Data Laboratory to be able to see the result of crawling down during the research. The result of this data can be shown who the key player in the crawling is done. In recent years, social media has become important for social networking and content sharing. In this PowerPoint, we demonstrate who are the people that hold a big role and the impact in social media hashtag using Twitter and Gephi to predict real-world outcomes. The implementation of social media crawling data conducted and visualized by author with the help of Gephi as a tool. The result from crawling data from Twitter with hashtag social media show that the data gathered involves 250 nodes, means there are 250 people tweeting about social media with the hashtag. The key player of this data shown to be @WhatOneIf, which has 6,607 followers on Twitter. That's all from us. Thank you.